Sister-in-law. So we are at the port. So of course you're gonna see big yachts, big boats. Many of them along here. This side is a very expensive side of Nice. Let me see you. Let me see you, pretty. And she's awake in the morning and getting her gift from Tata. Look, Sarah, come. When you finish eating, go finish eat. If you don't finish eat, she's gonna open it alone. Sarah just fascinated by the paper. Sarah, come, look. Here. One. Open. Yay. Sarah, look. Sarah. She wants me to give her the papers. No. Look, here. Come for this one. Look, here. Sarah. Take it. Come here. Here. Paper. She loves paper, you know. So that's Sarah gift from Auntie. Sarah, come. Look. Guys, look at this pretty girl heading out to see the doctor. Why are you so pretty going to the doctor, little miss? Huh? Why are you so pretty? Come, let me see you. Let me see you, pretty. Let me see you, pretty girl. Look at her. Come here. And Mama managed to catch the hearing too. Huh? Hi. Yay. Hi babes. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day. We've been up. It's early afternoon right now and we're heading out. It's been so busy all day today. I didn't even pick up the camera. We are taking this girl to the doctor and her brother. They both have doctor's appointment today. Baby's checking some information over there and then we're gonna head out. Tyler and his auntie's already outside. I'm so tired. She's gone to put the baby in the car. I haven't even showed you guys her since she get here, but you guys will see her at some point. Anyway, we have a few other things to do after we left the doctor, so we'll see you guys at some point throughout the rest of today's vlog. Tell them we're going to the doctor. Doctor. Tell them doctor. Doctor. Yes. Have your moment, honey. Ready? Let's go. Show them two. Show them two. Yeah, you just wanna clap. Can you show them two? Show face 2 fingers. Show them two. No, you're not showing them two? Anyway, you guys, we're out of here. Say hello, husband.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, we're in a hurry. Catch you guys soon.
Yay! Clap for mama. Yay! Clap for mama. Come here. Okay. Who's winning? Try getting a strip.
Tu te brosses
He's
bien
gonna
les
get
dents?
an unexpected shot. He doesn't know. Definitely gonna get a shot.
Parfait.
Yesterday when he was shirtless, he was looking like skinny, like he thinks he's fun. Huh?
Let's see if he's gonna cry.
Donc il rentre, c'est quoi? C'est mardi la rentrée. Comment oui, la rentrée c'est le 1er septembre. Ça va arriver vite. Bon, ça va aller. Il est content. Il compte les jours. Oui. On a fait de l'acrobranche
That's
hier.
okay.
C'est pour la
It's just gonna
première
go
fois.
pick.
Ça lui a plu.
You're just gonna feel a
il est
pick
très
and
méticuleux. Alors,
finish.
quand on lui donne les consignes,
It won't
il fait
hurt.
attention
Just a
et tout,
pick.
et puis il est parti. Ça fait pas mal, Tyler, ça fait pas mal.
Ne
c'est
regarde
le
pas,
bon
ne
garçon.
regarde pas, ne regarde pas.
Même Sarah, elle a...
Allez, courage.
Allez. Voilà. Bien.
Wow!
Bravo!
Wow!
Le meilleur.
Good job, Ty!
Didi to not cry.
Bravo, Ty!
Aujourd'hui, pas de-
I've been wanting to experience taking the tram to the final stop. So we did it, which is the port. So that's what we've done. And now we're walking through town with my sister-in-law.
À la baby la dernière fois.
Mama, it's the first time we are here.
So we are at the port. So of course you're gonna see big yachts, big boats. Many of them along here. This side is a very expensive side of Nice. It's so good when you're home and feel like you're still on vacation. This destination is bomb. A different angle. Hopefully it's not too windy and you guys can hear me. So this is the side of the port that I don't think you guys have seen. that you guys are looking at the rest today on the beach. Bonjour! Sister-in-law, Papa and Tyler down there, and Sarah is here winding from her shot. And this is the side that you guys see heading around there. I want to go around the sign that says I love you around there. So we're continuing traveling. The famous I love me sign. Can't see nothing, it's dark. So dark. Guys, the kids are not allowing us to be great today. Sarah is miserable from her shot, which is normal, normal and not normal, because she don't normally cry and feel bad after a shot, but every shot is different. But this one, she's really whiny, and the baby is not feeling well because he's teething. You're showing your titty. Tyler also got a shot, and he was a champ through that, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes. So everybody got shots today. And now we are at Sushi Planet because we're taking home dinner. We're not gonna stay and eat because the kids are not doing well. So we're gonna go. Yeah. I think I should also feed Sarah dinner right now. No?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle mange? Alors, madame.
Kika! Kika! Kika!
That's the attitude we've been getting all evening. She's big mad right now and ready to go home. Here's Tala. It's time to go home. It's been a long day. I'm hungry and I'm tired. Can I have a mirror? No. Tala is in anti-style. I don't have my belt, yo.
Maybe.
Look guys, here's dinner. Shrimp and sushi. And we forget the sushi sauce. But we're eating. No sauce. It had been a long day. We took the kids to the doctor, and Sarah was not feeling well after her shot, so we had to cut her adventure in the city short and got back home and went back home. But yeah, all in all, and my sister-in-law baby, he's teething a lot and he wasn't feeling well either, so we decided to just come back home. We just pick up some food and we got back home, but they were okay after they got home. Yeah, so that's how the day went. We give you guys a look into the port side of town that you guys haven't seen much of. On that side, I know it was really windy, so you guys couldn't really hear what I was saying, but I was showing you guys the side, the port side, and then I was showing you side on the right that you guys always see, the other side where the beach is. But it was a little bit windy and a little bit dark, so you guys couldn't see much, but hopefully you did enjoy the little footage that we got. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.